Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Carla. Be sure to subscribe, and if you're not new here but you haven't subscribed, then subscribe. So as you guys can see, I am semi-prepped and ready to go because today we are going to be opening some Hush box. I am very excited because this is a very popular site for you guys to buy makeup in the most affordable way ever. So I am excited to see what's in here. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are done, my highlight is done and popping. I have done everything else, so I'm just gonna do, I guess, my eyeshadow. So let's get started with this video today, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna kill someone with this. So let's just see what's inside. Let me just tell you guys, I try not to sneak peek for so long because I actually got this on Saturday, but I don't record on weekends because my whole family is in this house and it's kind of embarrassing for me to record my family still. Okay, so first thing that's in this box, we have this Milkshake matte eyeshadow collection. I guess it's like an eyeshadow palette. The box looks just like the palette, and let's go ahead and open the palette. These are so cute. These are so small. So I am thinking that the company this eyeshadow palette is from Face Candy. So let's go ahead and swatch some. I want to swatch
the cherry on top and a double fudge and strawberry milk. Wow. Okay, guys.
This is totally different from anything I've ever touched. This is like very soft and very pigmented. My face is like focusing on here. They are very pigmented, so I went ahead and swatched
this one, and this one.
So let's go ahead and swatch. So there you guys go. I'm not sure if you guys could see. So one thing I'm really not liking is that it is very powdery, but that's okay. I could live with that. Just by looking at it, I am actually in love with this palette. Time to keep on moving forward. By the way, you guys, yes, I am going to use anything I got in here to do an eyeshadow look on me, so just wait till the end of the video. So these are the Ruby May Premium 3D lashes. Oh my god, they're like a double stack. So next thing we got is they are brushes. So look at these brushes, like they're like so cute. Oh my god, I am going to be giving some of these brushes away because I don't use like face brushes, so I'm probably just gonna give these away in a giveaway, so stay tuned. The brushes that I am gonna use are these eye brushes. I love eye brushes, and it's always better for you to have more than just like 3 eye brushes, because if you want to create more looks and you don't have time to like wash every single brush, then it's better if you have more. So we're gonna use these. I actually like this bag as well. It's like holographic. It is so cute. We got this liquid blender cleanser. So I guess this is like a liquid to clean your beauty blenders. So I'm not sure if this works, but I will be checking that out and letting you guys know because my beauty blenders are disgusting. It looks like it's from the original beauty blender company, so I will have to check that out. So it looks like that is it for this box, you guys. So let's get ready with our eye tutorial. Now I'm gonna get up close and in there because you guys need to see how these colors blend out. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, I don't like to be up this close in camera because you guys see how ugly I am really close. So let me just get over the fact that I'm up close and get going with this look. Let's just see if these products work and if it is worth your damn money. Because again, it's always about, is it worth your money? Is it worth your money? Because you're not just going to spend your money on this and then not worth it. So my eyelids are primed and they are set, ready to go. So I guess we're going to go in with peanut butter to use as our transition shade, which would be this one right here. So let's go ahead and go in with peanut butter. So the brush picks up a whole lot of product. Let's get started. So we're just going to add this like mostly on the crease. So it looks like it is pigmented. And we're just going to keep dipping in. Remember what I did to one eye, I do to the other. So I'm just going to explain one eye and I will be doing the other eye off camera, okay? So I apologize if you guys see anything that you guys don't want to see. Okay, So this is what our eyes look like so far. With the same brush, we're gonna go ahead and go into Root Beer Float, which would be the one next to Peanut Butter. So we're gonna go in with that one. And same thing as this one, we're just gonna go ahead and... Guys, these are very pigmented. So I just had to go in one. These are actually really good, you guys. We are going to go in with Cherry on Top, which would be this one. I'm gonna go ahead and add it below the crease. That's our pink, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and spread the pink all over our eye. This is how pigmented this damn palette is. It's really damn good. Okay, so we are going to go in with a Very Berry, which would be this like purple. It's like purple, but it's like really dark. It kind of looks like brown. So we're gonna take a clean brush. So we just keep this on our lower V. And from our lower V, we take it and we are just gonna blend it out upwards, okay? Okay guys, so something that I'm noticing right now is that because they're very loose, because the powders are very loose, the powder moves around on your eye. Do you see this? There's like a bunch of loose powder here. So it's like just stuck there. So you could just like easily brush it away. Do you guys see how much powder comes off the brush? The powder is so loose, you just can't keep it in place. So you could just pat it. I don't know if you guys could see. Look how much powder drops. Like it just drops way too much. And now we're just gonna go in with Double Fudge, which is like this black or brown. It'd be this one. So because it picks up too much, we're gonna have to tap away the excess, and look how much it drops. And when we tap it out, there's almost nothing left in the brush. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and let's try this one more time without tapping away the excess. Okay guys, here's the thing. The light colors seem to be working pretty well, but the dark colors seem to give no type of color. Like it just seems to add nothing to the eye. So I guess that's what we're left with because the black isn't really working. Let me go ahead and grab a high-end palette to show you guys if the black would actually stay on. I'll show you guys on this eye. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the Pure and BoxyCharm collab palette, and we're gonna go ahead and use their black. Same brush, we're not gonna change the brush, so we're just gonna go ahead and tap in there. This is how much product the brush picks up. We're gonna go ahead and I'll show you guys on this side, okay? Okay guys, so here we have the difference. This is the look I was trying to go for. And this is the look I got with the milkshake palette. I want to try one more thing. I'm just going to try to spray the brush and then pick up the dark color to see if it just helps it stay put. But this time I'm going to go ahead and grab this flat brush because these are meant for those type of eyeshadows that are very loose or for glitter, stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with the Mario Badescu. I don't know how to pronounce it. You guys know that already. So we're going to go ahead and grab Double Fudge. So that seems to help it a little more. But we're just going to have to figure out a way to blend it out because now it's just all wet and it feels like mud. So once you've put it in place, we're gonna go ahead and grab the old brush and we're gonna try to blend it out. And it's just not moving anymore. Okay, adding spray worked. The thing is, and now it just won't move out of place. You'll try to blend it out and it just won't blend out. It's just stuck in the position you left it. So that is what we are working with. This is what I tried achieving. You know, I had to blend out. This one looks like it's firm and stuck where it is. So we're just gonna try and fix it and pick up the other brush and go back into cherry on top. Okay guys, so that seemed to work better. So this is the best I can make this eye palette work. So this is what we got. I like the light colors. Every light shade you see in here is really good. The only ones you're gonna ever struggle with are these on the side. If you were looking for some that like actually worked out, that are dark, this is not your palette. But if you're more than willing to work out with these, I think this is a pretty good palette. The pigmentation on these are really good. I would say the pigmentation on these are okay. They're not good. They're good on a swatch with your finger, but as soon as you start to try to like blend it out with another color, it just gets lost in the color. As you guys saw, I blended it out with a light pink color, and if it got lost there, then it will definitely not work when you try to blend it out with like a blue or another purple. So I was just not happy with those dark colors, but everything else is pretty good for me. I would give this maybe a 7 out of 10 because the shades are not as pigmented and they don't blend out as good as I want them to be, the dark ones. But the light colors, I would say they're a 10 out of 10. They're very blendable. They are very, very pigmented on the eye. And they are very loose, but that's not a problem if you know how to work it out. So I'm going to keep this look throughout the day, and I will tell you guys on the description below if it worked out, and if it didn't, then I'll let you guys know. As of now, I would recommend this palette for you guys. I would say absolutely yes for the brushes. So now I'm just gonna go try the eyelashes and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is my finishing look. These are the lashes. They're extremely huge. So if you guys are into like dramatic lashes, I think these are the lashes for you. Okay, so my final verdict. Brushes are a 10 out of 10. I actually like the packaging. I liked everything from these brushes. These brushes retail for $15. So this is how they look. The palette retails for $12, and there are apparently 2 types of these palettes. So this is the one that I got, which is a milkshake one, and there's a smoothie one. So if you want to buy both of them at the same time, you could go for it. I think this one is much better because it has much more of a color variety. This ones are all look the same on this one. The only different ones are the 2 last ones. But if the formula is the same as this one, then these dark ones are not really going to work out. But if you guys buy them and they do work out for you guys, let me know how you guys did it to work out. Now, these Ruby May lashes retail for $4, which is really good. So you just keep swiping and they give you a variety. They either give you to choose from number 5, 28, 15, and 22. So that would be it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys stayed satisfied with my review. I actually recommend you guys buying every single item that I reviewed today. They are very good. The only problem with the palette would be the darker colors, but you guys can work your way around it. And I hope you guys ended up enjoying the look. This is how it looks. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but I will be posting pictures, so stay tuned for that. So my next video will be about a new subscription that I found to see if it is worth the money again. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that one. And remember, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up and comment down below any product you want me to review for you. Follow me on my social media for more information. And that is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time.